Did you know a horse trailer blowout at highway speed can flip whatever is towing it in seconds? Here is what most people never think about. A rancher pulled in asking for a quick look before a long haul. Teddy got under that trailer, and what he found stopped everything. The tires looked fine from the outside. No visible cuts, no obvious wear. But Teddy knows what to look for. Deep sidewall cracking. Rubber that had gone brittle from years of heat and UV exposure. These tires were carrying thousands of pounds of live animal weight on rubber that had already given up inside. Here is the science that matters. A trailer tire has a load rating. When that rubber degrades, the real capacity drops way below what the sidewall says. The number printed on the tire means nothing if the structure is compromised. One blowout at 60 miles per hour with horses inside means a panicking trailer, a jackknife, and a catastrophe nobody walks away from clean. Teddy caught it. The horses made it home safe. That is why you do not skip the inspection.